Flex, German manufacturer of power tools. Flex do a range of power tools. One of the things they specialise in is angle grinders. Flex actually is German for grind, believe it or not. So obviously we know where the original angle grinder comes from. It comes from Flex, and this is a cracking little product. 800 watt angle grinder, takes up to 150mm cutting discs. Obviously any type of disc, stone cutting, metal cutting, even the thin cutting discs that you see more used these days. Really super duper product this is. So let's have a quick look at the machine. So straight away you can see, beautifully made, superb casing on there, feels lovely and balanced in your hand, really nice cable as well, so that's if you're working, that's nicely out of the way. Your on off button on the side, so again easy, push it on, click it off. Also with Flex grinders you have the power safe mode as well, so if somebody, if you were working and the cable came out and you went to plug the cable in, you cannot, it won't turn itself back on. It's got a fail-safe in there as well, so you have to disengage the switch and then switch it back on again before it will restart. So that's a great little safety feature, because if somebody did happen to kick your cable out or whatever, or you had a power cut and you went over to do that, the angle grinder is not going to run off down the road. So that's a really nice safety feature, super little product. In the box you also get obviously a spanner for changing your blades, and obviously a side handle, and you have adapters there for left-handed or right-handed fittings there as well. You've also got an adjustable guard, so you can move the guard around to wherever you need it to be, so when you're working and different angles, etc. And then obviously to change the blade, very straightforward. You have a locking mechanism which locks the spindle off. Obviously place the spanner in there, undo it, replace your blade. So really, really nice and simple. Flex grinder, 800 watt, really professional bit of kit. Go and have a look at one and your nearest Real Deal stockist.